Hi, I'm Nick at Avro Disc Golf, and in this video, I'm going to injection mold some mini discs. The plastic stuck pretty hard to the mold, so the mold's destroyed and I need to make a new one. But I also need to figure out a way of making it not stick next time. I decided to try some silicone mold spray. It creates a slippery surface on the mold, which is supposed to prevent adhesion. By the way, I made some improvements to my injection molding machine since the last video when it broke. I beefed up the base and the injection arm. I also added a permanent pipe fitting to the bottom of the barrel and gave it its own heater and temperature control. Well, it didn't stick as bad, but it still stuck, and the mold surface was a bit cracked. But now I have an even bigger problem. The disc was supposed to weigh 23 grams, but this disc weighs 31. I can actually feel with my fingers that it's a little bit thicker than the last disc I made. After inspecting the mold a little bit closer, I think I know what happened. I applied so much pressure that I actually deformed the mold, which made the cavity for the plastic to flow into larger. To fix the mold sticking, I'm going to try coating the surface of the mold with high temperature epoxy. The idea is this will fill any pores in the wood surface. Then I'll sand it smooth and spray more silicone mold release. To prevent the mold from deforming again, I created some pressure relief channels, but the pressure is important to fully pack the mold, so this might cause other problems as well. It also means that I have to use a little bit of extra plastic for each part, but fortunately the plastic can be reused. I've actually been supplementing the plastic I bought with single-use cutlery. It's the same material, polypropylene. I learned while doing this that things like plastic straws and knives are made of a recyclable material, but because they're so small, they jam up the recycling machines, and so they usually aren't allowed to be recycled.
Oh yeah. Okay, there you go. There you go. Boom.
This disc came out a lot easier, and the mold is still fully intact. It is slightly underweight, but it's close enough, so I'm going to call that a success. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe for more, and if you didn't, I don't know why you're still watching. As always, nothing in this video is engineering advice.